Salam. How are you, everybody? Today, I will show you how to add time to date columns in Pandas data frame. As you know, sometimes you get data frame with column dates, but for doing more work of data analysis, maybe you need to have the time with the date at the same time. Here, we will see today how to add the time to our column date in different ways. First, we will use, as you see, Colab to run the examples and see the results. From first script, as you see, we will create data which has one data set, which has one column, date, and it has 3 rows with 3 different dates values. We will convert this data to data frame using pandas.dataframe. Then we will convert this column to be datetime column data type using bd.datetime function from pandas. When we run this script and print the results, you can see our data frame is like this, 3 rows of one column with the date. Now we need to first, let's say we need to add fixed time. Fixed time means number of hours or specific, not number of hours, it's a specific time, fixed time. We have 2 ways to do this. First is to add number of hours we need to add to the first hour in the day, like this. We need to add 6 hours, 9 hours. We just create new column in the data set, and this column will be the original column of date, which we created in the previous example. Then we will add from Panda, use the function time delta and give it 9 hours. But what if we want to add a specific time? We can do the same, like we will use the same function time delta, but we will give it the number of hours and number of minutes. Like if we want to make it 5 p.m., we will give it a number of hours, 17 and 30 minutes. That mean for each column, we will add number of hours from the starting of the day, and we run the code. We will find that the system has 2 columns. First one, date with time, which at 9 hours. We will see all the time here in this column is 999. And time with time evening, we added new column, date with time evening, and we added 5 with 17 hours with 30 minutes. We can see here it at 17 hours with 30 minutes. But what if we need to add the time from another column in the data frame? First, we will create data like this data. It has 2 columns, date and time. And we will use the data frame from Panda to convert it to data frame, and we'll convert as we did before, convert the date column to be time date time, and then we will convert also the time column to be date time. To convert date column, we use date time function from Panda, and to convert time column to time, we use to time delta from Panda also. So we have now, after running these 2 commands, we will have 2 columns. One column is from date type, and the second column will be time type. And now we will create new column, date with time, and we will just, this column will be just adding the first column date to the second column time, and we can see the result here. You can see the new column date with time. It just connected the date column with the time column in one column with time, I think, data with time. What if we need to add time to the date, but with condition or under condition? Let's say like this, we need to add 9 a.m. for all weekdays and 12 p.m. for all weekends in the day, in the last column, date with time. So we will use apply this on the date with time column, which we will take the column date and apply lambda function to add 9 hours if the value in the date column is weekday according to the calendar from these dates, and if it is not, we'll add 12 hours, like the condition, because we need on the weekdays to add 9 a.m. and for the weekdays we need to add 12 p.m. So if we run this code, you will see here 15 March added 9 a.m. 16 March added 12 p.m. 17 March added 12 p.m. If you want all the dates to start from start of the day, means 12 a.m. So we just need to use the function d dot normalize to convert to do this. So we will create new column start of day, and we will convert the values which is contain the values from the date column after applying normalize, meaning adding 12 a.m. to each date. When you run the code, you can see here the new call start of day. It is come without time because here it is start from 12 a.m. So no, so it doesn't written, but it is all these dates start from the time is 12 a.m. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.